Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after so long. I know you guys will be seeing me. I am seeing you guys after so long because I got busy with something very good. So when I started with my blogging, I always used to think that I always want to have my own brand. I have done my studies into fashion designing and everything, so I always wanted to have my brand, but I never knew that I'll start with it so soon. So basically I started with my own brand that is called as Pink Ambrosia, that has all the collection for ladies about kurtis, suits, semi-stitch fabric, and I am very happy for it. It's been almost a month, so let me tell you where am I stuck and how am I busy so much. So from February 1, I'll be taking out the collection for the age group from like almost 22 to 40, wherein I am designing the whole collection. I'm getting embroidery done, I'm getting stitching done, and I'm really happy for that, I hope. And let's keep our fingers crossed that the collection is gonna be great and you guys will like it. So sooner I'll be opening my page and hope you can see the collection over there, but that's gonna happen like after 1st Feb of 2019. So I'm very excited. So why am I sitting here and chit-chatting with you guys is because I am going to Neemrana to celebrate my first anniversary. Me and Parag, we have completed 1 year and that's so much great. So I wanted to take you guys along with me to Neemrana to explore. So we are not basically going to the main Neemrana. I don't know the name of the hotel. Let's just go and find out what is it and everything. I'll be briefing you when we'll be in the way. So I just know because it was kind of a surprise for me. I just know that we're going to some kind of a place Neemrana has, because we were trying to, I think, book the main one, but it was packed because of weddings, and yes, of course it is December. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi, I'm Shefali and he's Araf, and please subscribe Nancy Bunce's channel. We have been watching her channel. She's very innovative and full of intellect. Do watch her videos. Press the like button, share and subscribe. Press the bell button. Okay guys, so the day has come to the end and I wanted to tell you honest review about this hotel. So coming on to the hospitality, it was very good. These people did the arrangement for me, Parag, Shefali and Ara for our anniversary. How sweet of them. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much for it. One thing I would not forget to mention is about their food. So if you're a person who's very particular about the food and is really like particular about the taste of the food, I would really suggest you to carry some food with you, because the food over here is not up to the mark. I would say it was not tasty, but it was not up to the mark. There was not a lot of variety. We had pasta, we have risotto, and we have a dal, paneer and some sticky rice. So I would not say that they had a huge option, but yeah, they had enough of options, but the food wasn't up to the mark. I was not really happy with the food. I feel like it didn't fill up the stomach, and also one more negative, that they don't have a la carte system. So if you sometimes, what happens is, if we don't really like the food, what we do is we take a la carte, order something for ourselves, but they don't have that option. They definitely have the option for snacks, but not a la carte. So make sure you carry something with you, because there in this area there is no other restaurant where you can order from or something. So just carry your food, guys. Carry your food if you're very particular about the food. Everything other than food was excellent. Their environment, their hospitality, cleanliness, infrastructure, excellent. I really loved it. I would definitely like to visit again. But yes, the food part was missing, but it's okay, it happens. So right now I'm signing off. I'll see you in the morning. Bye, good night.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2. So we are going for breakfast now. It is almost 9:45 in the morning, and look at the view over here. This place is so beautiful. I don't feel like going back to home, but yes, we have to, because we have a bigger trip coming up day after, and we haven't prepared for that. We haven't even started, and I know what is wrong with my voice. I have no idea. My voice is out. I don't know. We played Ludo till 2 o'clock, and between that time, when I signed off from you guys, between that time my voice got like that. And Parag is also feeling really sick. He's got cold and cough, and I hope everything becomes okay. We just have one day for our recovery, hoping for the best. Guys, now it's time for us to go back home, and this trip was amazing. It was, although just a one-night trip, but I had really fun. And yes, it was my first anniversary. Imagine how the time has flew. I have no idea, but yeah, we just packing our things and we are ready to leave. So if you really like the video, and if I have helped you, my review has helped you even a bit, then do not forget to like the hit button, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and comment below if you also have been to this place, and tell me how was your experience, or you can rate about this. And I'll see you soon, but till then, just take care. Bye.